Hi Trader, Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com with my daily recap. What's today? Today's Tuesday, so happy Tuesday. We're going to jump really quickly with a few stocks that I have listed here. I think I have about 5, but I'm going to try my best to keep each and every one of them under a minute. So this entire video should be no more than 5 or 6 minutes, right? Let's see if I can do it. Let's go. And by the way, thank you for being here. Do me a solid. Ensure that you like, thumbs up this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at ShortMeTina. Anyway, we're going to kick it off with ticker X. Wrong. We're going to kick it off with ticker REXN daily chart. Stock is up about north of 80% on the day, close at 366. So huge congrats to the bulls. You can see again confirming volume. If you look prior to that, dormant volume, essentially non-existent. It came alive today. We went as high as 426 before pulling back to close at 366. Now, considering the low of the day clocked in at 220, we are actually trading closer to the high than the low. And so for me, again, as I've been saying for the past month or two, you really want to pay attention to exactly what's going on when the stock opens up the following trading day. Right now in after hours, we're up an additional 3.8%. I see a quote of 380, so we're inching up. So if we can actually open up above 366 tomorrow, I think it's going to be a really good shot that we can at minimum revisit today's high of 426, and if we surpass that, I can see 480. Let's give it a little bit of range. 450 to 480 on the horizon. I'm going to break it down to the hourly to see if I see anything else. No. Yeah, that's about it. Definitely we want to open up above 366, but definitely pay attention to support here of around 308. If we take that out, then obviously momentum is gone. What else? All right, and then we have ticker GNPX daily chart up about 30% on the day, closed at 161. Again, huge congrats to the bulls. Look at these legs. I love it. Anyway, heading into tomorrow, again, you want to pay attention to what's going on one in after hours. Right now it's up a little bit, up about north of 2%. I see a quote of 164. So again, inching closer to today's high of 174. If we can open up above today's high of 174, you have a really good shot, obviously, of running into resistance here of around 180. If we can take that out, I can see 2 to 210 on the horizon. But mainly I would say first things first, you want to open up above 161, take out 174 really quickly. If you can take out 174, I don't think it would be an issue to get past 180. And then $2 is right around the corner. What else? All right, so let's go to ticker YAYO. All right, huge gap down on the day, so not a winner, right, unless you were short. Stock is actually off about 64% on the day. You can see this huge gap down here, closed at 39 cents, essentially flat in after hours. Is there more selling to go? Perhaps, but generally speaking, when a stock sheds around 60% or so in one day, chances are you're going to get that little bit of a pop. You can see here the low clocked in at 30 cents today, and since then, let's go to an hourly to see what we see. Yeah, you can see since then, for the most part, it seems as though the stock incrementally walking itself up. Obviously, you want to pay attention to resistance of around 43 cents. If we can take that out, I'm not necessarily sure you'll get this gap fill of around 108 anytime soon, but you might be able to get to 50 or perhaps even 60 cents. What else? All right, and then we have ticker PHIO, another loser on the day. Stock gap down. You can see the volume here. Lost around 57%. So yes, my apologies to anyone that was long this stock and lost around 57% of their account today. That's never good. I've always hated that. It's definitely never good. Anyway, stock closed at 285. I think it's up marginally in after hours, about a little over 2%. I see a quote of 293. Again, similar story with stocks that either gap up 50-60% or gap down. You really want to, at this point, really focus in on how the stock opens up. You want to look at the previous day's close and how the stock currently opens up that following trading day. So again, any stock that is another point, any stock that's off about 50 or 60% in one day, you're usually going to get that dead cat bounce, if not the next day, definitely within that trading week. So at some point, expect this to appreciate about 10 to 15%. If tomorrow's the day, more than likely it's going to open up above 285. What else? All right, so we're going to cap it with ticker WORK. Again, a stock that we did actually really well in the premium member community. We just traded the channel. You can see here, this is a clearly defined range or channel dating back to September of 2019. Granted, we broke out earlier this week, going as high as 27.89 before pulling back. We're off about a little over 2% on the day. I'm not sure what's going on in after hours. I think it's essentially flat, but you see a quote here of 25.98. So we're essentially sitting for the most part or very close to that once resistance now support level of around 20, let's give it a range, 24 to 25. If it can remain above there, in my opinion, you have to remain bullish on ticker WORK. Even if it breaks that, I wouldn't be bearish. I'd be bearish if it broke support with confirming volume. So in terms of ticker WORK, I still think that there potentially is a trade unfolding. Just continue to watch, all right? Anyway, so we're going to cap it there. Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any portion of that video, do 3 things for me. 3 is all I'm going to ask you to do. That's it. No more. Just 3. 1. Comment in the comment section, all right? So if you like this video, you disagree, there's something about it that you did not like, or you like, I don't know, whatever it is, just comment in the comment section and give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Remember, it helps to get this out to other traders that are looking for analysis on ticker REXN or ticker GNPX or ticker YAYO or work, so on and so forth, right? So if you like and you comment, YouTube says, well, hey, listen, I think other traders might want to hear this as well. That's the first thing. Second thing is I do videos daily, as you can see, no matter what. Even when I'm locked out of certain social sites, I'm still going to find a way to get a video up there. Anyway, so if you want to ensure that you never miss any, right, then you definitely want to subscribe to our YouTube channel at ShortMeTina. And this is the very last thing that I'm going to ask you to do on a Tuesday, because guess what? I know you're exhausted. You're either at home from work, you're coming home from work, and you are just really tired, right? So I'm just going to, it's going to be no more after this, right? So third thing, 3. I've been trading for a long time, right? For those of you that come here often, you already know the spiel. For those of you that are new, listen, I've been trading for a long time. About 20 years, right? 2 decades. Who does that? Who trades for so long? I do. Anyway, trading for a long time. And right now on our website, we're hosting a free 14-day trading course, right? It's completely free. The only thing that I ask is an email address so I can know where to send the videos to, right? And it's about a lot of things that I've learned along the way trading for about 20 years, right? Things that work, things that don't work. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely head on over to our website, ShortMeTina.com. Sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening. And as always, thank you for the support. Happy Tuesday. I'll talk to you tomorrow.